like the header head. Ooh. Oh, and these must be the sit on top of the push rods, I think. These are the wait, 1, 2. Oh yeah, valves. Oh, they look alright. Uh-oh. Mini head. I wonder if this is a motor for the mini. It looks like a brand new water pump. Here's the pistons, new pistons. Oh, they got numbers on them, 4. Oh, there's a 4 on it too. I wonder if this arrow maybe I'll put some oil on them. So I'm guessing that this is the what's this? This must be the oil pump. No, that must be the water pump too from the old one. This crankshaft. It's a little dirty though. There's another one. Some windows. Oh, look, here's some pistons. These must be the old pistons. They seem to be dished. Two pistons. Oh, look at all the bearings in there. And down here looks like the gearbox. I think the gearbox and the radiator. I don't know much about it, but that radiator looks pretty good. And there's the drive shaft. I mean, there's the gearbox. Looks not too bad.